Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just doing a brow routine. So first I'm going to go ahead and start brushing my brows upward, and then I'm going to brush my brows to the side just from the top. Next, I'll be going in with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be applying powder to my brows. I'm doing this just so I can soak up any oils that may be around my brows, and I just want to dry the brow area up. I'm focusing on my brow hairs as well as the skin around my brows, so that when I go in with my brow pencil, it actually glides on smoothly and sticks and lasts all day. To fill in my brows, I'll be using the Morphe brow pencil in the shade Java, and this is actually the definer brow, not the slim brow pencil. I like this one a lot more than the slim brow pencil. Recently, I got my hands on it and fell in love. Didn't start filling my brows in at the beginning of my brow. I started a little bit behind my brow just because I like the way that my natural brow is in the front already, so I try not to touch that part too much. And now I am just creating an arch, and I'll be filling in any gaps that I see within my brow. I also don't really have a tail at the end of my brows, so I do like to extend the brow pencil down to create a tail. Now I'm going in and brushing my brows just to pick up any excess product. To shape my brow, I'm using a Morphe brush, and I'm actually going to flatten it, and then I'm going to be applying my Mocha and Toffee concealer from Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm only using a little bit of product just because I won't be doing a full face, so I want this coverage to be as minimal as possible. I wanted to give the illusion that I did not use concealer to shape my brows. Once again, I did not start at the beginning of my brow when shaping. I started where I began filling in my brow. To blend out the concealer, I'm going in with the same brush that I used to apply powder to my brows. To shape the top of my brow, I'll be going in with my foundation, Lancome in the shade 470. Now I'm going in and removing any swatches with a makeup wipe, and that will complete the brow tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching.